Hey there! If you're looking to shed a few pounds and are curious about the Atkins diet, you've clicked on the right video. Today I'm breaking it down in a way that's simple and easy to understand. First off, what is the Atkins diet? It's a low-carb, high-protein diet that promises quick weight loss. The idea is to cut down on carbs and increase your protein intake. This forces your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbs, leading to weight loss. Now, let's talk about the 4 phases of the Atkins diet. Phase 1 is the induction phase. Here, you drastically reduce your carb intake to around 20 grams per day. This jumpstarts your weight loss by putting your body into ketosis. Don't worry, ketosis just means your body is burning fat for energy. Phase 2 is called balancing. You slowly add more nuts, low-carb veggies, and small amounts of fruit back into your diet. This phase helps you find your carb tolerance level. Next, we have Phase 3, which is fine-tuning. You're getting close to your goal weight now, and you can add more carbs until weight loss slows down. Finally, Phase 4 is maintenance. You've reached your goal weight. Now you need to maintain it by sticking to your new, healthier eating habits. So, why do people love the Atkins diet? For starters, it's not just about losing weight. It's about a complete lifestyle change. Many people find that they have more energy and fewer cravings. Plus, who doesn't love eating meat and cheese, right? But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some people may experience side effects like bad breath, constipation, or even nutrient deficiencies. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any diet. All right, let's talk about what you can eat on the Atkins diet. Think meats like beef, chicken, and fish. You can also enjoy eggs, cheese, and low-carb veggies like spinach and broccoli. And don't forget about healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. But you'll have to say goodbye to sugary snacks, bread, pasta, and even some fruits. It might sound tough, but many people find it's worth it for the results they get. So, is the Atkins diet right for you? It all depends on your personal goals and how your body responds. What works for one person might not work for another. Still curious? Do some more research, talk to your doctor, and give it a try if it feels right for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.